Hello everyone, my name is Amrit Raj and welcome back to our complete ABAP plus HANA course. In this part, we are going to discuss the collect operations in our internal table. Now, if you guys can remember, we were discussing the various internal table operation in the previous video. Now, this collect operation is a really important concept. That's why I was thinking to take a separate class on this. Collect operation is used to make sum of amount values based upon unique character. That is, there is a possibility, so here you can see here that there is a possibility that there some duplicate records can be there in your internal table. For example, if you guys can see here, we have got this company ABC and the department is ABAP, and in the month of January the amount that is invested on this department is 10,000. Then if you will go for the February, the amount, the company is same ABAP and the department is ABAP and the amount invested on it is 50,000. So when you are going to calculate the total amount that is invested on the department, on the company for a particular department, so the sum of that value will be 10,000 plus 50,000. So here we can see we have got two duplicate records, and what we can do, instead of having these two records, we can have a single record of where the company will be ABC and the department will be ABAP and the amount on invested on it will be 60,000. So to do this kind of thing, we mainly use this collect operation. So the use of this collect operation is to make sum of amount values based upon unique character. Now what is this unique character? Based upon non-numeric field value. So we are going to use non-numeric field values and you are going to calculate the sum of those non-numeric field. So what are non-numeric data types that we have? It can be character, numeric, date and time. So using these non-numeric fields, we are going to perform operation on these numeric data types. So what kind of operation? Mainly summation of the amount, like if you have got integer, for example, suppose you have got integer value 15 and 20 and you have got two duplicate record. So based on this non-numeric data type, what you will be doing, you will simply calculate the sum of that integer, packed or floating, whatever you have. So this collect operation is used to make sum of amount values based upon unique character. Unique character, what is a unique character here? Unique character is like non-numeric field value. So these are the non-numeric fields. So based on this character, it can be numeric, it can be data type and it can be time. Using these non-numeric fields, we are going to perform calculate, we are going to calculate the sum of these numeric data types. So let's implement this collect operation so that we can understand this particular concept in detail. This is my requirement. My requirement is we have got 7 record here, 6 record around here. Out of 6 we have got 5 records for company ABC and the department is ABAP, BW, ABAP, MM and BW. Then we have ABCD for department BW and these are the amount invested respectively. Now what I want to perform this particular collect operation so that I can get this particular record. And in this record we can see we don't have any dummy data. We have got this numeric data type we have got this non-numeric data type ABC and ABAP and the numeric data and we are performing the collect operation on the numeric data type based on non-numeric data type. So when we will implement the collect operation, we will have only these 4 records, and here we can see before collect operation we have got these 6 records. So let's implement it. First what I will do, I will create a program. So I will create a report on collect operation 01. I will go for implementing collect operation. In the type I will select executable program and I will assign the package and transport request. Alright, my program is ready. Let's implement it. So first what we will start with the step by step, and my step will always start with the creation of the type structure. So in the type structure what we will do, we will create a type structure for company, then for department, and then for amount. So I will go with the type structure creation, and I will start with types keyword. Types begin of ty underscore company. My first column will be company here, so I am giving name as company. Type, let's take length of this company as 4, and type C. Type C for character. Second one is department. Suppose my department length is 10, and type C for character. And at last we have the amount. So for amount, I can either take integer. I have already told you we are going for numeric data type here, so I can take integer, packed, or floating number, but I am going to take the already created data element that we are using in our employee table. So I will go for my employee table, EMP tab, and I will select the data element of my salary here. Here we can see we have got currency of length 7 and up to 2 decimal place. I will simply paste the name of paste the data element of my amount column here, and I will end this type structure with end of ty underscore company. Now we will create a internal table and work area. So lt company type table of ty underscore company and ls company type ty underscore company. Now my internal table and work area is ready. So let's start with the storing of data. So I will simply give my first record ls company, company name is equal to ABC. Then we have got the department, what will be the value of my department? ABAP and 10,000 amount, ABAP, and then we will pass the department here, amount. I will pass the amount value as 10,000 up to 2 decimal place. So I will pass simply the decimal place as well, and I will go for append statement. Append ls company to lt underscore company and clear ls underscore company. So my first record had been stored in my internal table. Now I will simply copy and paste the same steps so that I can store rest of the 5 records. So my second record will be ABC, BW and 20,000. ABC, the department will be BW, and amount will be 20,000. Again copy and paste. This time ABC, ABAP penned 50,000. So I will go for 50,000 here. Again I will copy paste here. This time I will go for ABC and the value will be 10,000. So ABC department will be and the value is 10,000. Next we will go for ABC BW and value will be 20,000. So ABC BW and the value will be 20,000. And the last one that we have is ABCD BW and 20,000. So simply copy and paste the steps here again, and we will go for the department as ABCD, company name as ABCD and department as BW, and the amount will be 20,000. My record has now been stored into this internal table. If you will go for the breakpoint here, activate the program, just click on execute button, go for desktop 3 here and simply click on this internal table. You can see we have got the 6 records. Now when you double click on this internal table, you can see all the records have been stored. and here this amount value is a packed of 4 length and up to 2 decimal places. So my data is now stored. Now we have to perform the collect operation, and now how you are going to perform this collect operation is going to I am going to explain. First you will have to create an internal table where you will store the collect operation, or you store the data after performing the collect operation. So I will simply create another internal table here, data, let's name it as LT collect, type table of ty underscore company. Yes, same. We are going to create internal table of this same structure where we will be storing our data from this internal table into this internal table after performing the collect operation. Let's implement a loop operation on this LT company internal table. Loop at LT underscore company into ls underscore company, and you will end this loop. So just given it as here end loop. Now what you are going to do, you will simply write this collect ls underscore company into lt underscore collect. This is a statement that you will be writing to perform the collect operation, and what this particular statement is going to do, it will check if the record is already existing. Based on non-numeric data, if the record is already existing, then it will go for the numeric data and perform the sum operation. It will sum the data of the numeric records. We will activate our program and we will put a debugger so that we can understand this concept. I will go click on this execute button. Let's go to desktop 3, and currently you can see there is no record present into my LT collect, but in LT company we have got 6 record. Now let's perform a first operation. When my loop will execute for the first time, you can see one record has been stored into my internal table LT collect, and into this internal table you can see the company value is ABC, department is ABAP, and the amount is 10,000. Now again click on F5 button. Again see the second record has been stored, ABC, department is BW, and the amount is 20,000. Now when as will you can see here our first two records are ABC ABAP 10,000, ABC BW and 20,000. Now this third iteration will be ABC ABAP again, and the amount is 50,000. So just see how this third operation is going to perform. Click on execute, go for line 59 and click on execute. See, my third iteration is over, but into my LT collect we can see we only have 2 records. If you will double click here, you can see this time the amount has been collected here, and what SAP did here, what SAP compiler did here, it simply checked for non-numeric data, and it found that all the non-numeric data are same and only numeric data are different. So what it did, it simply performed the sum operation and it stored the data into this amount column. So this is how your collect operation works. Now you can simply display your records. We will go for loop at collect operation, loop at LT underscore collect internal table into ls underscore company. Because my work area is same, internal table is same here, so there is no issue. I will simply write the write statement, write ls underscore collect company name, sorry, ls collect is not there, ls company is there. Okay, company name, then ls company department, then we will display our amount value. So amount, simply activate your program. Just wait for a second, activate the program and click on execute button, and now you can see we have got our 4 records. So So you can clearly see here, this is how your collect operation is going to execute. It will go for non-numeric data and it will check if the non-numeric data is same, then it is going to perform the addition operation on your numeric data. And what is your numeric data here? Numeric data is your salary, is your amount here, and this numeric data is your packed number. Packed number will also consist of your decimals there, packed number with decimal. I hope this collect operation is clear, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, just follow and subscribe my channel, and there also you can see in the description there is my WhatsApp number. So if you want to go for dedicated training, or you want to go for SAP certification, just ping me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.